Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Aries. Eight of Cups, King of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, Nine of Cups. Aries, with these cards, today you are feeling really successful, victorious. You feel you are having the advantage. This may be regarding your work or in your relationship. When you are with this person, you feel that contentment and you are really happy how things are going, and you have come to some kind of acceptance in your relationship. Something both of you all have come to a clear understanding about something, guys. That may be the energy here. Maybe you were having troubles before, maybe due to some stress you would have felt that or some kind of fights or arguments were there in your relationship. This person, they were talking behind you, they were, or you would have heard some third hand gossips about this person, and you were in doubt about them and you were not happy about it. You were really sad and you were having fights or some kind of arguments because of that. But today you are resolving those issues. With these cards, I feel you are overcoming those conflicts, whatever you had in the past, guys. Some kind of crisis. This may relate to your work also. Some kind of crisis you had in your work, or maybe for some of you all, it may be some sickness. You would have felt sick, so you are overcoming, healing today, and you're really feeling very good today. You're healing yourself and you are coming to an acceptance. Maybe you have talked to this person and you have come to a clear accord what you need to do with your life, what you need to do with this relationship. So both of you all are accepting whatever flaws or conflicts and coming to an understanding, guys. So that is the energy here, Aries, and you are what to say, feeling really successful today. Things are manifesting today, guys. Whatever you want, you are having that contentment and happiness, and things are resolving fast. This crisis or conflicts, you are just overcoming that very quickly. So that is the energy here. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards here, guys. Let us see what is coming here with these cards, guys. Ring, Clover, Lilies. A very positive cards, guys. Maybe you, after you have come to a clear understanding, this person may want a commitment with you, a long-term commitment with you. They may want to get married. This is a very lucky card, guys. So things may start to resolve. Maybe you were in what to say, you were in you were not talking to this person. You are, if you were not talking to your person, you had some minor conflicts or some stress. Just like I mentioned, you are on talking terms now. You are getting back with them. You are understanding and reconciliation is happening. And in this relationship, you have that love and understanding, guys. You are overcoming your troubles. Maybe this relationship is twin flame or soulmate connection for few of you all. That is the reason that after this conflicts, you are getting back together. That attraction is there in this relationship and you're back together, and you are feeling very lucky, guys, today for this opportunity or for something else, some new opportunity in your work. So something good is happening, is coming towards you, and you need to use it immediately, guys. Think about it and use it immediately, because it is not going to last long. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Let us see what is your person's energy towards this relationship, or what they want to tell you, what they want you to do in this relationship. So this is an angel card here, guys. So with an angel card, it just means the angels are there guiding you today. So your person wants you to know that you need to be more compassionate, and or this is what they feel about you. They feel you are more compassionate, and when you are more compassionate and understanding, and when you are more forgiving, you just open yourself to emotional healing. So just like I said in the reading, that you're coming to a clear understanding. Maybe this person wants you to be more compassionate and forgiving, or they feel you are already more compassionate and forgiving, and that is the reason that these conflicts are resolving today, Aries. So this is what they feel about you and about this relationship. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aries.